Hi, this is Keshav at Keshav Music Imports. If you have a Tanpura and it has a dead sound like this, and you want it to sound like this, you need to set the jawari. The bridge, as we call it in the USA, is in India called the jawari. And the making of the sound is also making jawari. Jawari is from the word jiva, which means alive. So it's a live sound. To get those overtones, just take a simple piece of thread, cotton thread, silk thread. You can experiment with different thicknesses, or you can use unwaxed floss. Experiment, see what works best for you. This is especially important on a female tanpura because the strings have very low mass. So it's harder to get those nice overtones. So you take the thread, loop it underneath the string, grab both ends of the thread and pull it back. And what we do is we pull the thread backwards until we find the sweet spot on the bridge or jawari, like this. There you go. And we'll do all four. It's a little trickier with the lighter strings, but once you do this a few times, it's really easy, and your tanpura will sound so much better. So it's easy to go right past it, so don't be frustrated, just try it again. Sometimes it helps to go with a heavier string to make a bigger gap for the jawari. But for our purposes, we're just going to use this light cotton thread because it's what's available right at the moment. There we go. And the last one. And when you play the tanpura, remember, this is not a guitar. You don't pluck the string, you push down. Enjoy.